Well, boys and girls, it is Saturday, and it is the 29th of August, and for the first time, we've just put in an additional 15 quarts or 16 quarts of that wonderful Lucas oil. Thank you, Lucas 50 Plus, which is probably the best oil in the world. We need to get the Lucas again to get a little bit more because that wasn't enough to fill it to the high point. Plus, Andreas had already put in 3 quarts filling the trough, so there's a total of 18 quarts of oil in this, and it's not even leaking out. But what we're going to do now is turn it over for the very, very first time, just to fill the different lines and so forth. Andreas, give it a shot. Now I'm going to come to the other side. Not that that's going to make any big difference, but it's kind of fun. And you can see what's happening on this side. Give it a hit. Got super compression?
Compression in all of them.
Okay, that's the big deal. That's what we wanted to do. Just want to give you a little overview on what's been happening. It looks like it's slow, but we've had to do so many small things that take just an infinitely long time to do them right.
And
so
we've got oil circulation.
We're dipping it out, so obviously it's working really good. So anyway, that's really what we wanted to do. We've also filled up the power steering fluid, and which is also, again, Lucas. We can't say enough good things about Lucas products because they've sponsored us in the past, and this is things left over, and we didn't want to push anybody when we're not really using it. So here we are, we're using it, and
thank you, Lucas. We're running low again.
We're running low again. So we need a little bit of everything, especially your polish, which is my opinion and Honor's opinion, are the guys that have to polish this damn thing. And believe me, we got a lot to polish, and it is probably the easiest working, nicest stuff that we've ever used. So anyway, we just wanted to...
Fine touch of leather there, and your tonneau cover.
You can see all the stuff that we've done here. These are all little...
And your Fiat tonneau cover.
Fiat tonneau cover
right
and type. So we're going to show you all these little things that we've been doing. This red piece right here is the carrier for the power steering. And anyhow, we've got to do everything else now. But you can see, look at the beautiful work that Andreas has done on these pedals. Completely done. I put a little copper on stuff and he makes them work. So anyway, wanted to show you what we're doing, where we're at. I still have the new shield coming that says Beast of Turin, not Beast of Turin. So anyway, it's coming along quite well, and just wanted to show you and make a little bit of noise. It is fun. So another beast is going to roar to life. You've just heard it grunt a little bit now. Anyhow, thank you for tuning in and checking out on the Beast of Turin, our rendition. We know it doesn't look like the original Beast of Turin, but we don't care. It's our personal rendition. Take a look. You just got a couple beautiful lamps that's going on it too. These are just marvelous things. Extremely heavy. Extremely heavy. So we are pretty well worked up with all the bling bling in all the department. All these things are all going in. All these special switches. Look at this one, a double switch. Just, it's really exciting stuff. So it's all going to be different, and you will see it in all its glory coming fairly soon. So all these bits and pieces, or the majority of them, are going on it. So anyway, we thank you all. Andreas, say goodbye.
Please share.
And please share it to everybody that you can, please.